GMP prediction for Zara Tiles Limited by Vridhivesh Finance. Yes, Zara Tiles Limited. If you see the tiles around every corner of house, office, and yes, there are hardly you will get a space or office or anything where there is no tiles has been used. Either those are low, either those are qualitative one, means which is at higher end price, or which is at lower end price. So look at this IPO and see their performance in the next few decades, hopefully. Zara Tiles Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date will be 4th August 2021. IPO closing date will be 6th August 2021. Issue type will be book build issue. IPO face value 10 rupees per equity share. IPO prices band between 118 to 120 rupees per equity share. 125 shares market lot size for minimum and order quantity is 125 share. Listing at NSE and BSE. Basis of allotment date will be 11th August 2021. Initiation of refund will be 12th August 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account will be 13th August 2021. Listing IPO listing will be on 17th August 2021. Application minimum you can buy 125 share at 15,000 rupees only. Maximum you can apply for 13 lot, that will cost you 1,95,000, and the number of share will be 1,625 only. Yes, Vridhivesh Finance gives you the GMP prediction for this IPO, but unfortunately it wouldn't complete it because this company has did it well business into the market, but unfortunately IPO by choice. Yes, dear investor, if you did not get the IPO, or if you are interested to invest into this company, you can invest it after the listing of the day. Yes, absolutely, when it goes downwards. Or there are number of companies even from the SME and limited companies which is doing a better performing based on their performance and management strategy. If their management is bullish one and they are doing a well business into the market, don't bother who subscribe IPO and do who did not. You can do investment on the day of listing too, which will gives you good returns. And there are people who loves to buy the house or office, they always buy the tiles and all, or they will want everything according to their budgetary too. So Zara Tiles will not work underperforming after the day of listing. Even they will perform a very well, but it may go consistent performer, we can say. Diversification subscription report for Zara Tiles. If you see, the qualified institutional buyers are 17.67, where there is a zero mutual fund investors, domestic financial institution of banks, finance institutes and insurance companies has invested. Yes, foreign institutional investors also available. Others apart from their non-institutional investor has number of times mint for the categories 5.36, whether corporates and individual other than RRIs. Apart from their retail individual investors 40.10. So you can see that employees also subscribe this IPO, and number of times of total mint for categories 2.53%, where the total overall is 22.68%. Number of times of total mint for the category. So in this case we can see there is a large amount of retail individual investors has invested into the Zara Tiles. So hopefully this will gives you good returns, because we see other companies is having QIB large amount, that is qualified institutional buyers, but in this case this is the first time we can see retail individual investor doing a better job in this case, better subscription in this IPO. Vridhivesh Finance gave a GMP prediction for Zara Tiles Limited on 17th August 2021. Discount offer in case happen it may goes 105. Minimum INR will be, we are expecting this get listed the share minimum INR 145, maximum INR 185, or it can cross to. It does not depends on, because there are number of companies IPO whose least subscribe but they gives better returns, excluding 2 to 3 IPOs, which is from the main board category. Okay, so yeah, in this case we can see this company may gives you good returns on the day of listing too, and it will perform well. It depends on their management too. We can't promise it from our end, but we are expecting, hopefully this gives good listing to their investors, hopefully. Zara Tiles Limited tips for investor: if discount offer in case of pricing on the day of listing, that is 17th August, hold it. Choice is yours, investor, you want to hold or not, or you want to reinvest it. Infrastructure in case of house or anywhere in office, corporate office and all. Consistent performer, we can say. Yes, this company is exporting their tiles too, so we can say yes, they can do the business next few decades too. Thank you by Vriddhi Finance, and hopefully we will give you next GMP for other IPOs. Keep watch in case we meet the GMP expectation on the day of listing of any shares.